So in this video we will discuss about solubility of solids in liquid. Generally in our syllabus we discuss only liquid solutions in which we have solids as solute or liquid as solute or gas as solute, but the solvent remains liquid only. So we already know that like dissolves like dissolves like. So it is understood that only polar solute will dissolve in polar solvent, and only organic solute will dissolve in organic solvent. For example, NaCl will dissolve in water. NaCl dissolves in water, but not naphthalene. So naphthalene will not dissolve in water. So that is first point about the solubility of solids. Surely depending upon nature of solid, some solid may be soluble in particular liquid, some may not. Now when solute dissolves, so it's actually solute plus solvent establishes an equilibrium forming a saturated solution. So if solution is saturated, already we have discussed that no further solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. If it is unsaturated, then surely there is a chance that we add more solute. Now this dissolution is accompanied by certain energy change, that is delta HR. If delta HR is less than 0, that means if it is exothermic in nature, that means near the saturation point the enthalpy of dissolution is less than 0, that means it is exothermic in nature. Then what happens? The temperature will also have impact on the solubility. Even if it is endothermic, it will have impact. So when the reaction, the dissolution process is exothermic in nature, increase in temperature decreases solubility. So this is actually according to Le-Chatelier principle only. So this is Le-Chatelier's principle, that for an exothermic reaction, increase in temperature will surely reverse the reaction, hence reducing the solubility. In case if delta HR is greater than 0, that means it is endothermic. If the process of dissolution is endothermic in nature, that means it will absorb the enthalpy of reaction or whatever the energy it is available in the surrounding, it will absorb. So in that case what happens is the solubility increases with temperature. So increase in temperature increases solubility. So most of the cases we find are this case only, that with temperature the solubility increases. So that is because most of the dissolution of most of the salt what we have is actually endothermic in nature. Even dissolution of NaCl is slightly endothermic in nature. However, there is one example for which increase in temperature decreases the solubility. So that is actually lithium sulfate. So lithium sulfate is an exception, Li2SO4. So for this actually delta HR is less than 0. That means enthalpy of dissolution is less than 0. That means it is endothermic. So dissolution of this salt is actually endothermic in nature. As a consequence, what happens? With the temperature, increase in temperature, the solubility will surely decrease. So these are some of the exceptions. You will get many in books. And in general, like NaCl, KNO3, NaNO3, all these are going to be endothermic in nature. So with increase in temperature, their solubility increases. So this is about the first factor which affects the solubility, that is temperature. There is second factor which we generally analyze, that is pressure. Actually, these solids and liquids are incompressible in nature, so pressure has no considerable effect on solubility. So this is very important, that the solubility of solids depends upon temperature and nature of solvent, but not so much on pressure, because it is incompressible in nature. Thank you.